In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this air suspension effect in DaVinci Resolve. The first step of this effect is to copy your clip. Open it in the color page. Take your pen tool and mask out the bottom of the car like this. Don't include the wheels in it. After you've masked it like I did, click here to open the tracking window. Hit this to track the mask back and forth. After that's done, click on this frame button, then move to the last frame and start manually fixing the mask so it stays where it should. Move through the video and make sure the mask stays still. After that, right-click on the node section and choose Add Alpha Output. Connect the line. Then you can add some softness, but don't overdo it. Go back to the editing page, then right-click on the copied clip and choose New Compound Clip. Open the compound clip in Fusion. Press Shift plus Spacebar and search for Transform. Make a keyframe for center on the first frame. Move to the point where you want the effect to end and reduce the value slightly. To fix this transparent part on top, click on Edges and choose Mirror. Then open Spline. Highlight both of the points and press S to smooth it out. Go back to the editing page. Now, as you can see, the car has air suspension. To finish off this effect, I'll add an air out sound effect and match it to the timing. That's basically it.